Did you know that elephants are the real masters of short dreams? Yes, yes, you heard right. It's hard to believe, but these giants of our planet spend only about 2 hours a day in sleep mode. This is due to their incredible physiology and no less incredible lifestyle. In the wild, elephants are constantly on alert due to the danger from predators and competition for food and water. That is why these giants can only afford short periods of rest. But when they decide to fall asleep, they do it with real dignity and beauty. So let us admire this amazing fact and respect the ability of elephants to find harmony even in the briefest moments of rest.